Okay, now I'm going to show you how to take it off the back of the bed of the truck, and then I'm going to move it from the bed of the truck on top of the cab of the truck. It's because of our unique U design. We can get around this wheel to put it on the bed, and now we can get in here to put it on your truck cab. Now that I have clearance with all the clamps, I'm going to pull it out. Notice I have the safety straps on. Always, when you go outside of your truck, always have safety straps on. So now we have the back crossbar and the front crossbar to put on the cab. And I forgot to put on the risers. The risers give us a lift. Never stand under the rooftop tent. I always go around it. These risers give us a lift to get over this bar. And now I'm going to lower to where the risers hit the crossbar, and then we can pull the Magnum out. It's secured so I can take off the safety straps.